If you are looking for a channel na walang hype, walang budget, hindi kaya iwan sa ere, then you are the right channel because in here, we do our technical analysis ng solid, walang halong chismis at hindi sayang ang oras mo. So today, we will conduct our TA for AC Energy, APL Litto, Monde, and PHA. Today is September 23, 2021. Right. So, bago ang lahat, ito muna ang ating verse of the day. Very, very short lang, no? I would have lost heart unless I had believed that I would see the goodness of the Lord in the land of the living. Very, 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 self-explanatory. Pero, it's talking to you guys, no? Na if you are going through something, kung meron kang problema, pinagdadaanan, if you are waiting for a breakthrough, daanan mo lang yung problema, wag mong tambayan. Kapag hindi mo na kaya lumuhod, wag mong dibdibin, lumuhod ka, no? Laging nandyan si Lord para sa atin. Kaya, just believe that the breakthrough is coming. So now, let's get down to business. So, makikita natin dito, AC Energy. So, for AC Energy, umangat siya ngayon ng 3.14% with net foreign buying of 142.67 million, which is relatively good, no? So, as we can see here, nagpipick up na, right? Nagsisimula ng mag-pick up ang kanyang volume, okay? Although below average pa rin naman. And then, look at this one for our medium term. Hindi pa rin nabe-break yung kanyang downtrend. So far, strong bullish movement ang nangyayari, no? For AC Energy. Okay, so we are not yet seeing any sign of weakness. Ni isa wala, kahit ang mga MA natin nag-agree. Now, I think we already discussed this in the last few videos, pero sige, para sa mga first-timers natin. So, currently, if ever, ito ang support levels niya. Ibig sabihin, support levels is also known as entry levels if ever magkaroon siya ng short pullback. Okay? Dahil dyan maganda ang ating support levels. Okay? Entry points. So, if we will check this through our fib, okay? Ito ay short term lamang, no? So, more or less, nag-a-agree siya dun sa ating sa ating support. Dagdag lang natin to. Okay? Alisin natin si fib ulit. May dinagdag lang tayong isang entry point. Asa na? Okay. So, ito ang entry points natin sa kanya. If ever magkakaroon ng pullback, 10.11, 9.83, tsaka 9.22. So, next question would be, okay pa ba Dok pumasok dito? So, sige, tignan muna natin, no? For the Ichimoku cloud, makikita natin dito cyan over the maroon color. So, bullish lahat yan. Tapos, candlestick above the upper limit ni cloud. Ichimoku, bullish pa rin. Right? So, for the TSAR. For the TSAR, as we can see here, ayan, uptrend pa rin and wala pa rin sign of any weakness. Of course, kasi pa siya ngayon tumaas pa ng 3.14. Plus, as we can see here, umangat pa ng bahagya, nagkakaroon ng expansion ng ating Bollinger Band. Okay? So, nag-i-increase ang volatility, tumataas ang price action, which is very good. And then, for this one, we can see here, we have a higher high. Look at this one. We have a positive kasi paturo pataas, no? Ang negative nakaturo pababa. Okay? So, we have positive histogram. So, pataas pa rin siya. Plus, ayan, divergent. Pag diverging yung ating blue and red line, ibig sabihin lang po nun na buyers are in control and very bullish as of now. Now, the question would be, yung entry point natin, okay po bang pumasok, bumili? So, as we can see here, again, katulad ng sabi ko last time, the stock is already in the overbought area at 78.50 level. Okay? So, again, sabi ko, pwede yan, pero what we are seeing here, kahit binasag niya tong resistance level dito ata siya kahapon, binasag niya tong resistance level at 74.19. Currently, it's facing another resistance here. Okay? And then here. Yan ang mga resistance natin. But take note na medyo drastic na yung changes. Again, no? Kapag nandito na sa level na to, anytime pwede magkaroon ng pullback. Why? Because we are now in the overbought area. And anytime yung mga bumili sa mababa, pwede nang mag-sell off. Okay? Sell off dito. Tingnan nyo to, yung mga sell off na nangyari. Okay? Bigla ang sell off. So, if ever gusto pumasok, I'd recommend that you should wait for our support levels. Again, buy on support, sell on resistance. Buy low, sell high. Huwag pong babalik na rin yun. Malulugi tayo. Next up, let's go to APL. So, sa APL, may bagong disclosure to na nilabas. No? Silipin lang natin 3 hours ago. Substantial acquisition. So, isa-summarize ko na lang, no, for the interest of time. Basically, nag-increase ang parang ang ginawa ni APL, hitting 2 birds in 1 stone. Nag-increase sila ng kanilang source of income or income stream. Why? Look at this one. With the acquisition of 49% stake in the BPO, ito yung pangalan ng company. Okay? The company will effectively have 2 sources of revenues. First, 90.47% royalties from JDVC Resources Corporation, and then the 49% share of the charter fees to be earned by BPO. Okay? So, ano nga ba yung BPO na sinasabi dito, no? So, BPO yung kakabili lang nila na company. Okay? So, let's see. Dito banda yun eh. Ito to. Ang pangalan ng company ay Blue Ocean Offshore Services. So, ano bang meron sa company na yan? No? Very diniscuss siya dito. Okay? Yung company na yon, special purpose vehicle, ang nag-iisa niya lamang ownership ay yung MD Siphon 1. Ito yung nag-iisa niya only asset, principal activity based on Singapore. Ginagamit siya, okay, for supporting services supporting mining, oil and gas extraction, and the reason why binili ito is offshore exploration activities. Okay? So magkano binili to? Ito yung pinaggastusan, okay, ng FOO ni APL, and gumastos sila dito ng purchase price of 711 million pesos. Okay? More or less, or 712 estimate. Okay? So basically, in short, para sa madaling sabi, is nagpe-prepare si APL for something big. Okay? Meron siyang plano sa kanyang business. Okay? And mukhang gusto niyang i-maximize na kapag nag-start siya magmina offshore is ma-maximize niya yung kanyang revenue. Kaya ngayon, nasa preparation phase na to si APL. Okay? So, kung makikita natin dito, we have a strong uptrend na nangyari. No? Hindi naman uptrend pa, no? Pero malakas na, ng price action na uptrend. Okay? So, makikita natin dito, we have a volume above average. Alright? And then, nag-i-increase din ang kanyang volume. Although, tingnan nyo to, in-overshadow niya yung sell-off yesterday. Okay? And then today, dito siya nag-close with a gain of 8.60%, which is not bad, no? However, sinubukan niyang umangat until hanggang dito sa 0.1090. However, nagkaroon ng strong rejection at this area, kaya mahaba yung wick ng kandila. Yan. Okay? So, nagkakaroon dito ng strong resistance level na kailangan niyang basagin if ever magsusustain ang kanyang movement. Which is good, no? Mukhang nakakahalata, nakakaamoy ang ating mga investors. So far, not so good because, ayan, downward movement lahat, no? Ayan, wala pa tayong alignment of the stars. Mapa long term, mapa short term, of course, downtrend pa rin siya. Ang huminto lang dito, nung nag-uptrend siya, tignan nyo to, ayan, no? Strong resistance for now is si MA20. So, if we want to sustain this price action, kailangan mabasag niya si MA9 and si MA20. Okay? So for our Ichimoku cloud, again, in the short term, tignan nyo tong cross na to, downward movement pa rin. So wala pa siyang signs of reversal just yet. Plus, this is the Ichimoku cloud resistance. So as for the resistance, we have this level. Okay, ito yung ating range. Bakit kanyo? Dahil dito, nandun 2. Okay, that's our resistance levels. Alright, so let's go to SAR. Of course, wala pa. Ayan, no? Wala pa siyang reversal na mag-uptrend pa siya, no? So, mukhang nagpahaging lang ito. Ang makikita natin, what we could expect is magkaroon siya ng contraction. The better, the longer the contraction, the better. Sideways movement siya, contract ng contract. Because after that, we can, mas malaki ang prediction niya na magkakaroon tayo ng strong movement. Okay? Strong movement. However, we must use our other indicators para malaman natin kung pataas ba yung strong movement or pababa. The Bollinger Band is used for the volatility indicator only. Okay? For our MACD, right? For our MACD, currently trying to converge. Tingnan nyo tong angle dito. Okay? Trying to converge but wala pa. Again, kung gagamit kayo ng setup ng mama, wala pa. Or kalma, hindi pa to. Okay? Kailangan mag-cross muna yan. And then, kung titignan natin dito, okay, we have humihina na. Tingnan nyo ito paangat, diba? Ibig sabihin, humihina na ang sellers, ang sell-off. Nagkakaroon na ng ground ang ating buyers, which is very good, no? So, it's really good kapag when you learn to understand this charting because it gives you power and gives you not only power, no, but understanding kung anong reasoning behind every trade. Mahirap manghula, mahirap mag-speculate. Okay? So, for this one, makikita natin na ito yung resistance level na kailangan basagin ni APL as of now. We have here 1, we have here 2. Sabihin, mahina lang, but it's the only resistance that we have. Okay? Actually, meron din dito pala. Ito, 40, 41, 42. Pero hindi, can be considered as 1 na lang din to kasi magkalapit lang naman yan. Pero kailangan pa rin niya basagin yan. So, again, we have 3 resistance pala. 1, 2, 3, 444. Okay? And then 440, 1 lang. Medyo malabo pa tong 2. Okay? 1 lang. Kaya madali basagin to actually. Itong dalawa, dito tayo magiging concern sa 44 level of the RSI. So, you watch that, no? While you trade. Especially kung gusto nyo makahanap ng entry. Okay? Usually, ang ginagawang entry ng mga veterano is kapag tumungtong dito. Either here or maghahanap sila ng suporta dito. Below kasi oversold na yan eh. Kapag oversold, marami nang gustong bumili. Yun ang tenet ng Tingnan nyo to. Every time matatama dito sa oversold area, nagkakaroon ng spike pataas. Yan. Ganyan din discuss ko dati kay BDO. Nung 86 pa lang siya. Okay? Teka. Alright, so onting commercial lang, no? So if you are looking for a passive income, nasa pinned comments, no? Wala kayong gagawin. Ito na, na. Ito pala ay ang honey gain. You will earn passively. And then just use the referral link down below sa nakapin sa ating comments. And matik, meron ka ng $5. Then you can request for payout. So, I will give a very, very short review for honey gain. Nandito siya. Ito, no? Basahin na lang natin. What does my shared traffic depend on? So, ito yung parang pinaparentahan mo yung iyong Wi-Fi. So, it depends on internet speed, location, and number of connected devices. And then, ano ang value ng honey gain? 1,000 honey gain credits is equals to $1. And you get 1 credit for 10 MB share. So, maganda to for those who have unlimited internet, no? And then, how can we get extra credits? For every day, merong lucky pot. Ibig sabihin, para siyang yung daily bonus. Pag-click mo yun, pwede kang kumita from 10,000 credits to 10 to 10,000 credits. Okay? Then, pwede ka rin mag-referral program Yun yung ginagawa natin ngayon. No? Para yung mga re-referan mo, matik meron silang $5. And then, how can you request payout? Or when? So, once ma-reach mo na yung $20, matik na yan, papasok yan sa PayPal mo. Or, if meron kang Bitcoin wallet or Bitcoin, pwede. Safe ba to? Yes, encrypted lahat ng connection. Again, ang pinaparentahan mo ay traffic at wala silang pakialam sa iyong personal data. Never access your personal data. Okay? And we also have our very own page. Okay? So, don't forget to like and subscribe. Subscribe sa YouTube and then like dito. So, ito lang naman ang mga pinapost natin dito. Plus, minsan mga learnings, no? Learnings sa ating mga readings, if ever. Yan, maganda. Okay? So, let's get back to business. So, our next stock is our Litto. Ayan. Nako, mag-sustain kaya ito after ng elections? Magkakaalaman tayo, Dennis. Uy! So, let's see. Okay. So, una mong titignan, medyo maintained kung saan siya nag-close, no? 0.6. Mukhang magkakaroon ng consolidation. Alright? Kasi medyo mababa rin yung price action. Sorry, yung volume action. Makikita natin dito, below average, mas mababa pa kahapon. So, ano siya, less than half. Okay? And then, pababa. Makita naman natin. So, this one, kitang-kita natin, MA9 acted kanina. Nag-act siya as a resistance. That's why, nung umabot sa level na to, biglang baba. Okay? So, nag-cross din dito si MA9. Ayun, no? Pumunta siya sa ilalim ni MA20. Okay? MA20 yung sayan. So, pag nangyari yun, downtrend. The downtrend siya ng short term. Okay? Basically, kinakwento mo natin yung nangyari. Meron tayong stronger resistance. It is known as MA50. Kaya dyan nag-close. Ayan, no? Pansinin nyo, saktong-sakto. Okay? Dyan siya nag-close. MA50. And ito na nga, MA50 resistance na nga yan. Tignan nyo dito. Ayan, no? Parang ganito yung nangyari, no? Yung week yesterday, umabot lang siya kay MA50, then bumaba. And then yung week ngayon, kay MA20 naman. And then bumaba ulit. Okay? So, let's see kung kaya niyang basagin ito. Si MA20, mas malaki. Alright, so insignificant pa to, medyo malayo pa tong MA100 siya 200. So, for now, mukhang nagko-consolidate siya. Maganda ang support dito, no? With a good bounce. At this level, ito yung mga week natin. Okay? Maganda yung bounce dyan sa area na yan. Alright? So, currently, nasa loob pa rin ng Ichimoku Cloud si Litto, ang kanyang price action. So, we should wait kasi katulad na sabi ko kanina, consolidation period nga yan. Itong area within the cloud. Okay? Pansinin nyo dito. Ayan, consolidate siya bago bumaba. Okay, ganun lang naman ang ibig sabihin. No? Napakasimple. For TSAR, again, downtrend pa rin. Wala pang indication. And then, buti nabawi niya to, no? Nabawi niya tong downward na to. Below kasi usually magtutuloy-tuloy yan eh. Kapag nag-break below the lower limit ni Bollinger Band. Kasi mag-increase ng volatility. So, since umangat, the more na umangat ito, the more na magko-constrict tong si Bollinger Band. Kasi mas magiging, again, papasok siya sa consolidation phase. Which is normal, no? Consolidation phase is a part of every healthy stock. When I say healthy, sila yung stock na hindi pinaglalaroan, hindi hinahype, kumbaga hindi nilalaro ng mga insti na pwede kang maiwan sa taas. Right? Pwede naman laruin, no? After mag-consolidate. Pero yun, pabilisan na talaga ng kamay yun. Makita natin dito, no, I'm seeing a weakness. I'm seeing a weakness in the seller side. So, more or less, no? More or less, if mag-continue yung uptrend niya, eto, short-term uptrend niya, or kahit consolidation lang, ihina talaga tong sellers. And baka makuha ng buyers again yung momentum. Currently kasi ang momentum nasa sellers, no? Ayan, no? Red over blue. Bumabawi pa lang ang buyers. Okay? Alright. So for this one, very obvious at 43 levels, we have a strong resistance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? Nandyan din kasi yung ano. Nandyan din kasi sila MA. Diba? MA dito. Ito, oh. Oh, yaan. Nandyan sila. Si MA9 tsaka si MA50. Ayan, saktong-sakto. So, currently strong resistance at this area. So, actually, marami-rami pa siyang pagdadaan ng resistances bago umangat. Okay? So, what we are looking for right now is stability muna. Stability na magkaroon ng sideways. Actually, sideways movement na siya, no? Kasi kung ipapasok mo to sa Darva's box, sige, naalala ko na naman si Darva. Ayan, no? Saktong-sakto. Unless nababasag niya tong Darva's box, okay, umangat siya dyan, bumaba siya dito. Unless mabasag niya to, magko-consolidate lang siya dito. Sideward movement, okay? Yan yung usual na nangyayari. Anong magandang example ni Darva's? We can look here. Sige. Ayusin lang natin, ha? Okay? Ito, sideways movement to. Ito, medyo malaki lang yung box natin na ginawa dito. Sideways movement. Okay? 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 But actually, pwede pa natin to extend dito. Ay. Alam, ayaw makisama. Ayan. And then, medyo risky na dito, no? Kung nabasag niya to. Kaya tumuloy-tuloy. Pababa. Right? Ang naging save lang natin dito is nung nagkaroon tayo ng suporta tsaka nag-bounce pataas. So far, ganito pa rin. Sideward movement pa rin ang nakita natin for dito. Okay. Punta naman tayo dito sa IPO lang nung nakaraan. Monde. Alright, namumulang spinning top type of candlestick. Nasa taas pa, no? Although, positive pa naman siya, umangat pa naman siya ngayon ng 0.93%. Okay? Nasa all-time high na. Nasa all-time high na to. Alarming lang to actually kasi medyo malakas yung naging sell-off. Matindi ang laban today ng buyers and sellers. Pero mukhang nagwagi, no? Mas marami ang nag-sell off today. Okay? Tignan nyo tong volume na to. Above average pula. Saan ba natin huling nakita yung pula na yan? Na mas mataas, no? Okay? Pag ganito, mga ano yan eh, indication ng short pullback. Nagpapahinga yung trend. Pero let's see. Kulang pa ang ating data. Tingnan muna natin dito. Again, for MAs natin, wala pa siyang MA 200 tsaka 100, no? Kasi bago pa lang tong stock na to. Batang-bata. Pero maganda yung trend niya, no? 1, 2, 3. Oh, actually guys, nakita ko lang, nung tinignan ko, pasok siya sa Elliott wave theory. We have the uptrend, wave 1. We have here the wave 2. Okay? We have here the wave 3. Okay, short review lang. Wave 1 is an uptrend. Wave 2 is the pababa, no? Hatak pababa. Okay? Or the pullback. Wave 3 is the longest uptrend. Alright, nandito tayo. And followed by wave 3 is a short pullback downwards. Okay, papasok siya. And then, ang wave, yun ang wave 3. Sorry. Wave 3 itong pataas. Wave 4 yung pullback. To correct myself. And then wave 5 ay another uptrend. So, ganito ang itsura. Ganito ang pattern. No? Parang pa letter M na may umangat na ganito. Okay? Yan ang pattern ng ating Elliott wave theory. So, for now, what we are waiting sa next, malalaman mo na sa next wave na siya kapag nag-continuous downtrend na. Okay? Until ma-reach na yung point kung saan pwede na siya mag-bounce. So, for now, what we are seeing is possible na umabot dito. Okay? Kapag nag-pullback siya. Kasi currently, nandito yung support niya. Ayan, no? Nandiyan yung support levels niya at 17.14. Okay? That is in line with the Elliott wave theory. Kasi mukhang nakita natin yung pattern. No? Parehas na parehas. So, ang question na lang natin is kailan magpo-pullback? Okay? Alam natin na may ganong pattern dito. Kailan magpo-pullback. So, let's check. For now, uptrend pa rin. Very obvious. Uptrend pa rin kay TSAR. Okay, no sign of weakness maliban dito tsaka sa volume niya. Very alarming yung volume, ha? For this one, pagbuka pa, uptrend pa rin. Possible na ganito lang siya. If ever mag-green to tomorrow, again, confirmation candle to kasi sa mga ganito kalakas na trend. Okay? Confirmation candle yung next day. Ayan, tingnan mo to. Nagpula dito, green next day. Pula dito, green next day. Pula dito, green. Diba? You get what I mean. Okay? Lalo na kapag ganyan. So, for this one, ayan, mukhang humihina na rin ang ating, ito, diba, kanina malakas yung sell-off sa volume. Humihina na rin ang hawak ng ating buyers. Humihina na yung momentum. Even though it's still blue over red, mas sensitive kasi itong histogram. So, you always look at this. Kung makikita mo kung humihina na o lumalakas yung momentum. For now, there's a decrease. Kaya naman pala nag-decrease. Kaya nag-decrease kasi tignan natin dito. This is the overbought area. Okay? Sabi niya, mukhang due na para ikaw ay short pullback and gumawa ka muna ng base or foundation. So, for this one, alam naman natin kapag umaabot sa overbought area, nagkakaroon ng pullback. Nagpapahinga muna ang trend. Pullback. So, possible dito, Actually, high likely siya dito sa 74 level of RSI because we have here 1, we have here 2. So, relevant na yan kasi very limited ang data natin for this stock. Ka-IPO niya lang kasi nung nakaraan. This year lang, a few months ago. So, kaya ingat tayo, Baka magkaroon ng strong pullback. Okay? Alam nyo na ang gagawin, Tinranslate ko na in Tagalog ang ating technicals. Okay? Now, let's proceed to our last stock of the day. Last stock, kapag meron tayong extra time, baka meron tayong requested stocks, For a while, ha? Water break muna tayo. Okay, PHA, Premier Horizon. So, kahapon, nag-review rin tayo dito. Sabi natin, nag-breakout with good volume. Okay? Now, the question is, mas sustain niya ba? Eto, Ang taas din kasi ng naging, above average. Binulugan ko yan, yung umangat, sumobra sa average na nagkaroon today ng sell-off. Kumbaga, in short, yung mga bumili dito, nag-take profit. Or possible, yung mga naipit, nag-break even, lumayas na sa stock na yan. In short, nag-sell-off lang sila. Okay? So, bukas, we will have to check if ever, kasi kapag bumalik to below at this level, below sa level na to, false breakout siya. Tuloy-tuloy pa rin. Pero historically speaking, may support na kasi tayo sa level na to Okay? Yan ang tatlo. So, more or less, magkakaroon talaga ng bounce yan. We can expect a bounce. Na pa rin siya, inline pa naman din siya sa ating Darvas box. Okay? So, yan. So, the real breakout, if ever, is magkaroon ng strong price action. Ito, short-term breakout lang to But we are expecting here, mabreak niya lang tong downward movement na to. Ang real breakout would be breakout dito, actually, outside the Darvas box. Okay? Ano ba, Dok, yung Darvas box? Kanina mo pa sinasabi yan. Hindi ko maintindihan. So, balik tayo dito. Okay? Alright. Okay. Ito ay short-term Darvas lang, ha? Tignan natin dito. Okay. Konting review lang dahil matagal tayo nagpahinga. Ito yung support. Ito yung resistance. Alam natin na kapag binasag niya itong resistance, magkakaroon ng strong price action. Then that's the value of Darvas box. As long as the price action is within the box, sideways movement lang siya. Kapag umangat, then we know that magkakaroon ng strong price action. Very, very simple. tignan mo, dito nag-prepare na siya. Nag-prepare na siya lumabas dito sa candlestick na to. And ito yung kinalabasan. Then, alam natin na upward na yung mga sumunod. So, ganun din dito, no? Actually, marami yan. Kahit ito, gawin mo to ng box. Sige na nga, sa pang sample. Downtrend naman. Ayan, oo. Ito, kita natin dito. Ito yung support level. Binasag niya tong support level. Ayan, oh. Itong kandila na to yung bumasag, eh. Itong mahaba na to. Okay? Bearish, hindi naman maruboso, no? Candlestick. Dire-diretso. Ayan, bumaba na, pababa. Okay? So, yan ang value ng Darvas box, no? Currently, meron din tayong Darvas box dito. So, as long as within the box pa rin yan, alam nyo na, sideways movement pa rin, no? The real breakout would be above this area. Anong presyo yan, Doc? Iusin natin. Here, at 1.41 pesos. Okay? So, ito possible short term ito. Kasi, ang immediate resistance actually na nakikita natin for this stock, isakto na lang natin ha. Dito, at 1.10. Okay? That would be followed by another resistance here at 1.18. So, dahil puno nga ito ng resistance, magsa-sideways movement talaga. Okay? Alisin natin yung drawing. Medyo masakit sa mata. Okay. Right, so going back. Dito pa lang, kayang-kaya ng basahin, no? Ayan, ito yung resistance din. So, more or less, ganito rin, no? Ganito rin yung kanina. Dahil nandyan si MA50, okay? Dito naman sa, ito, resistance din to. Currently resistance. Ito pala ang most immediate. Dahil nandyan ang ating MA20. Kailangan basagin. So far kasi kakabasag niya lang, no? Although maganda na na-sustain to, no? Si MA9, bakit? Tingnan nyo to. Ayan, no? Sustained ni MA9. MA9 acted as a strong support here. Kumbaga, bumaba na dito yung level, inangat pa, binawi pa, hanggang umabot dito, no? So, instead na mag-close siya ng 0.99, okay, nagkaroon ng magandang supporta ni MA9 yan, kaya nag-close sa 1.01. Alright. Sige, let's proceed to Ichimoku. Ichimoku, well, tulad ng dati, ganun pa rin naman. Downward movement pa rin siya. Okay? Ang exciting lang dito, nakaabang-abang at dapat tignan, is that, ayan no, onti na lang. Onting angat na lang, maaabot niya yung first star. Alam natin, kahit week lang ang umabot dyan, umangat above sa level na to, kumbaga sinasabi niya, mabasag lang talaga to si MA20. Magbibigay si TSAR ng signal na magkakaroon ng reversal. Kumbaga, pag nagbigay si TSAR dito na nagkaroon kunwari ito yung TSAR, no, yung star ng TSAR, upward movement na daw yan, no. Reversal ng downward movement siya ngayon, no. Pag na-reach niya to, mabasag niya si MA20, magkakaroon na ng reversal upwards. Which is very good, very good. So, let's see tomorrow kung kaya niya basagin yan. Kahit price movement lang, pwede na yon. So, for this one, again, magko-constrict to, no? Gaganto ito. Magpaparallel yan hanggang mag-constrict. If ever ma-sustain niya to, magkaroon ng upward movement based sa TSAR natin. Yung price action. Ito. Why am I seeing very, very close ang labanan dito? Look at this one. Halos magdikit na ang blue and red line natin. Now, once the blue went above the red line, ay matik na. Mag-uptrend yan kasi the buyers will be in control. Okay? So, entry point na ba ito? Let's see. Possible, no? Possible. Magkakaroon tayo ng MACD cross soon. So, congrats sa mga makakahuli nito, no? Mukhang malapit na. Although, sinasabi ko, short term yan, guys. Until na nasa Darvas box yan, hindi natin makakasigurado na mag-uptrend yan ng malakasan or mabilisan. Okay? So for this one, ito. Currently, hinahawakan siya ng support niya dito. This is MA9, no? Kung napansin nyo kanina, si 41. Kapag bumaba, don't worry. Meron pa tayong suporta dito. Maganda yung base building niya sa area na to eh. So, meron pa tayong 39 levels. Ang mga kailangan niya namang basagin would be here at 44 and 49 levels. So, you use this RSI in correlation with the resistances here. So, yung sinabi ko kaninang price action. So, more or less, nag-a-agree ang dalawang yan, no? Okay? So, if you have any questions, just feel free to comment down below o yung mga stock request natin, no, if ever meron tayong extra time. So, that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. This is Doc Trader reminding you that you are blessed to become a blessing. God bless, guys.